Number 5, which of the following graphs represents the given function? Well, the function is y equals 2x squared minus 12x plus 15. Right away I can see the leading coefficient's positive. Since our leading coefficient's positive, we can just cross out C and D. But if this is an EOC type of question where we need to kind of figure out our answer based off of, we need to graph it based off of we need to graph it by hand or on a digital computer, and they don't give you these pictures. Let's figure out how to do that. So I did completing the square on how to graph it there before. We can do, let's do this problem by, since our leading coefficient isn't, I guess that works out still. Yeah, we can just complete the square. That's just my preference. So we get y is equal to 2x squared minus 12x plus 15. First thing you do, take away 15. I'm going to swap it, so we get 2x squared minus 12x equals negative 15. Right away I take away a 2 out and factor out a 2. With x squared minus 6x equals negative 15. Then right here I add 6 divided by 2, square it, do it to both sides. I add, make sure I include this 2, because that 2 owns this function. 2 times 6 divided by 2 squared. So we get 2 times, our trinomial is going to be x minus, put a plus y so we don't forget about that, plus y. Then from here we get x minus 6 divided by 2 is 3 squared equals 6 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 squared 9, 18. So we get negative 15 plus 18. We get plus 3 plus y. Then from here we're going to take away 3 to get the y isolated. So we have 2 times the quantity of x minus 3 squared minus 3 equals y. So our vertex right away we can see is at 3 comma negative 3. So we get 3 from here, and then we get our negative 3 from here. Okay, so the only one that really fits this ticket, I'll write it right here, that fits our ticket of 3, negative 3, would be A. So A is probably the answer. We could check it using the 1, 3, 5 method, which is pretty quick. Use A, our leading coefficient 1, so we do 2 times 1, 3, 5. And this will work for all quadratics, 2, 6, 10. So the way we check it, go to the right one. Oh, this is hard to follow. Go to the right one. Huh. Three, 4, 1, 2, I guess? I don't know. Yeah, this is not a good way to check it because they use a bad decimal graph for it. But yeah, it's definitely that. It can't be B. So based off that, that's what our graph looks like.